Oh, even the General felt that one, and he was 50 metres away. Every game show gets the hero it deserves, and this is no exception. He's 175 centimetres of pure testosterone. It's General Tanith, the man who will lead the contestants to victory, we hope. And his first challenge is... it's human Velcro. Since the dawn of time, man has dreamed of swinging across a lake on a rope and landing on a Velcro spider's web. Thanks to this show, that dream has become reality. But there's a right way to do it, and several hundred wrong ways. First up, Kane. He's wearing his Velcro suit all right. Life jacket, not so much. Have we spoken to the safety department about this? Because I hope he can swim. Next up, mystery man with no name. Well, if he did have a name, you won't be able to remember it now. Oh, even the General felt that one, and he was 50 metres away. Now, will this guy have more luck? Nope, nope, none at all. Bye. OK, fingers crossed, this guy can do better. He can't do much worse. And yes, he's stuck. Oh no, he really is stuck. I don't think he can get down. This is a difficult name to live up to. No pressure at all. OK, champ, failure is not an option. Although maybe it is. This is more like it. There are no high expectations if you're called Frong. There, you see, the General thought this might happen. Here's Prem, getting one of the General's pre-game talks. Every time the Big G's given advice on this series, the contestant has gone on to fail spectacularly. Off you go, Prem, to your inevitable premature fate. Thank you, General. So Prem goes home, and she's not alone. But a healthy 70 contestants still survive and are rushing towards their next fresh hell.